Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming which Office edition you installed because the retrieval method differs. Next, sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your license. This proves ownership and unlocks account-level keys. Once done, choose a path: quick registry check, script via command prompt, or view product key online in your account. Make sure to run tools as administrator so commands can access protected entries. This setup saves time and prevents wasted steps later. You now execute the chosen method. If using a key finder app, right-click and run as administrator to let it read protected keys. It extracts the partial or full product key from installed files. Alternatively, open Regedit and navigate to the Office GUID under HKey Local Machine. You'll often find an encrypted key or last 5 characters. For Microsoft Store or Microsoft 365 installs, head to your Microsoft Account Services and Subscriptions page instead. Because keys are managed online, you finish by saving any discovered key securely and linking the license to your Microsoft account so recovery is easier later. If you only see the last 5 characters, make sure to sign into the same Microsoft account in Office to activate. Modern Office often stores the full key in your account rather than locally. If activation fails or the key is missing, reboot, try a different retrieval method, and contact Microsoft support as a last step. One troubleshooting tip: deactivate unused devices to free licenses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.